Now we will find out how much you can earn in 1 hour trading futures. As you can see, I start with $1000 on my balance. We immediately find a volatile coin and we do a quick analysis of the levels. I found a level from which I immediately take a long of $200. Unfortunately, the price immediately breaks through it and goes in the wrong direction. A beginner would have already sold and received a loss, but I give 1 or 2% risk on the deal. We wait 10 minutes and endure. As a result, the price sharply breaks through to the bottom, but this is a false hit in 50% of cases. Therefore, I buy more long, and now I keep my hand on the sell bottom, and if anything, I will lose $3. But as I saw, the price starts to go up. I mark the levels at which I will go into profit and wait. The price continues to grow, and I close the deal in profit. So we bought at a price of 0.467. This is where the chart turned around, and sold at a price of 0.477 at the highest point. As a result, we earned $14, risking $3. Then we find another coin with a strong level. We wait for a rollback to this level and we buy a coin long for $500. The price immediately goes up and I already set a take profit and stop loss. But unfortunately the chart turns around and I get knocked out by the stop loss. Minus $6 on this deal. Then I found a very strong level from which I immediately took a short for $500. I set a profitable stop loss and take profit 3 to 1, and I see where the price goes. At the same time, I look for other coins, where we have a quick long deal, which I immediately close in the plus. After that, I see that the price has broken the level and went down for it. Therefore, I took a short position for $500. Then I wait and close the position and plus $4. At this time, our previous deal went down perfectly. Here I was confident, so I waited for automatic closing by take profit. As a result, in an hour we earned $36.